Are you guys ready? I have some great news for you. First of all, a lot of changes are happening. So in 2 days, they're going to cut off the cast off my foot, and I'm going to be all better, and I'll be able to stand up again and do the show like I love to do the show. But also, if you guys watch my other channel, Jack on the Go, we're going to be trying to do 2 videos a week for you. You guys have been asking me to do more Jack on the Go, in addition to the cooking show. So that is coming. We got hoodie zip up hoodies. We used to not have that. Now we got them. That's in the merchandise store. And I think that's it. So let's start talking hot dogs. You guys ready? So we're going to be doing LA street bacon dogs. Are you guys ready? Come on in close. Super easy. It's going to taste just like back home. Let's run down all the ingredients. We got hot dog buns. We got bacon. We've got onion and bell pepper. We've got Nathan hot dogs, which are probably the #1 hot dog. Those and Hebrew Nationals are like my favorites. Then you got mayonnaise, jalapeno, mustard, and ketchup. And that's the basics for these street dogs. So let's get started. All right, you guys, go ahead and grab a pan, throw a little bit of butter in there, and get your flame going. There you go. And move your pan to make sure you got a flame. Now, while that butter is melting, I just want to tell you, the company that makes these pans that I love so much has already sent me the next edition, the Ultimate Diamond Edition. I'm going to be showing you that in a bit. So excited. It's supposed to be even better than these pans. I can't even imagine. These pans I've been raving about for months. Once the butter is melted, we're going to saute the veggies in the pan with the butter. You're going to saute them in the butter until they start to sweat, they start to soften, and look like you could top a hot dog with them. Alright, so the vegetables are almost done. We're going to get a bowl and put them in a bowl so we can cook our hot dogs next. Alright, get your vegetables out. Don't bother washing out the pan because you're going to need to throw your hot dogs in there. And we're reheating the bacon because it's already been cooked but it needs to be warmed up. Alright, let's put these dogs together. This is a sweet Hawaiian bun with a split top right down the middle. Most buns are split on the side. This one is split right there. And it's by Pepperidge Farm. Everybody makes their own sweet Hawaiians now that King's came out. So everybody's copying King's right now. Let's put a dog in there to keep it open. Okay, then we want to go in the middle of this one and there we go. We'll get a dog for that too. Take a piece of bacon, let's put it on the side here. Okay, take a little bit of mayo, put it in the center so it doesn't spill off to the edge, and then spread each direction. There we go. Not a lot because you got other condiments going on here too. Put it in the center. Now take your ketchup. Always shake it before you squirt your ketchup, because if not, then the water separates from your ketchup and that's pretty gross. Just one stream of ketchup. That's all you need. There's something about ketchup, mustard, and mayo all together. Shake your mustard too, because it separates, gets all watery. Just put a little stream there, shake it down. That's it. Shake it down. That's it. Perfect. bring your veggies over and just top off like that. There you go. Remember, you got jalapenos in here. If you don't like jalapenos, then grill your veggies without jalapenos. Come up with something different. This can be altered, but this is the basics for a street dog in LA. They're going to cook right in front of you. And that's what it looks like. Let's get you in. Can you see that?